Well, today's a gorgeous day and winter feels great right now, but we're expecting some cold days coming here soon. And a lot of homeowners are wanting to know, what do they need to do about their plants at this time? Now, we have tropical plants like these gingers that you see here that will take a hit during this cold weather. If you want to protect it, it's a good idea to water in the soil at the soil line, not on the foliage, and actually cover these plants if you want to preserve them. Don't worry about it. They actually come back from their roots, so it's not a big deal. But when we're talking about tropical fruits such as citrus, when we get down in the 20s for extended periods of time, you want to go ahead and cover those plants during the heat of the day so that you can trap that radiant heat coming up from the ground. And it's always a good idea to water in the soil because water is an excellent insulator. Now, talking about wintertime and this great weather that we're seeing, wintertime is a perfect time to plant trees in Louisiana. Go check your local retail garden centers for a wide selection. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.